Hey, this is Jason with the local Locksmith company in Allen Park, Michigan today, and I'm making a smart key. 2019 F250, and we're gonna be using the Autel today. So the first thing we got to do is figure out where the proximity slot is. There's two places on these vehicles it could be. So where's the proximity slot? We're gonna guess. Normally it'd be under the cup holder in a Ford. It'd be under the front cup holder. But I'm gonna guess it's under here. There it is. So there it is. We're gonna put the key in there. Fits perfectly. And all right. So gotta get that red light off. We'll start it back, restart it. All right, hang on tight 1 second. All right, we're back. We're into the Autel, and we're gonna accept the terms and conditions. We're gonna auto detect the vehicle. So we hit auto detect, and then we hit the start button and see what happens. We'll just hold it down, see if it figures out what vehicle it is. Keep tapping the button. Should have figured it out by now. Come on. All right, come on. So let's see if it figures it out. All right, it didn't figure it out, so cancel. So we'll go into Ford. We'll go the old school way. We're gonna go manual selection. It's got good battery power. See right up here, it says 12.3 volts. Always want to check your battery. And we're gonna go Ford, USA, F250. Let's go 17 to 19, because this is a 19. Smart key. See if anything happens. This is it, yes. Okay, we're gonna go hot function. We're gonna go add a smart key guided. And we're gonna hit start. Let's see, it's okay. Okay. It's normal for this panel to go black. Turn the ignition on, or open and close the driver door one time. Open and close. Okay. All right, everything lit up. Let's see if it's establishing. It's established the vehicle communication. It says it's 3 to 10 minute process. Our key is still in the slot. 3 to 10 minutes. We're going to hold off. I'm going to put you on hold just for a minute until it comes back. Okay, it came back, and when it gets done, it tells you how many keys are learned in the system, and you hit OK. And then it says, place the smart key to be learned in the slot, which is usually in the armrest, the cup holder, or the glove box. We already did that. It's learning the key. We should hear the door cycle. So now it says there's 3 keys. Do you want to learn the next key? We're not going to learn the next key because we don't have one, so no. And that process is done. So this key should now work. We're going to take this key out of the slot. We're going to hit lock and lock. Remote start worked. Shut it off. We're starting it now. Everything works. All right. Share a piece of the American spirit. Unwrap the Okay, we're just putting things back to where they were. So we had to look for the programming slot. All right, this has been Jason with the local locksmith company. I hope you this helped you. I hope the video helped you. If you liked it, hit like. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. We appreciate you following us, and we'll hope we're helpful. This is a smart key for a 2019 F250. I believe it's a Super Duty, but it's a pretty simple, straightforward system. And if you have any questions, always drop questions down in the comments. This has a slot. I'll show you real quick. This has we knew the proc slot was under this container here, but under here it has a fake. It looks like there's a slot under there. That's not the right slot. It's the one that the key fitted perfectly. So visit our website, mynewlocks.com. We're the #1 locksmith downriver, and we're south of Detroit. So give us a call if you need us. Have a good day.